You've been trying to learn Spanish but you still can't speak? You forgot words, you don't understand natives, and every time you try to talk, your mind goes blank. And the worst part is that you feel like you are wasting your time. If that's you, follow these 4 simple steps that actually work and can save you months of frustrations. I'm a native Spanish speaker and I've been teaching Spanish for more than 3 years, so I got a little bit experience and I can help you on this. Step 1, and this is the most important, define your goal. Without a clear goal, you will lose motivation very quickly. Don't say, I want to learn Spanish. Instead, be specific. Why you want to learn Spanish? Why exactly? Maybe you want to learn Spanish because you want to speak to your boyfriend's family because they're Spanish, or because you want to travel to Spain, or because you want to gain a new skill. For exactly what? Be very specific. Write it down and put it visible. Maybe put it in your notebook, your Spanish notebook, or in your room, or in your phone. Because on the days you don't feel motivated, you need to remind yourself, why are you learning Spanish? This is the #1 thing that people stop learning Spanish because they forgot the goal. Step number 2, learn the basics. Okay, this might feel, okay, I know that already, but honestly, learn the basic. Learn the pronouns, common vocabulary, some verbs, present simple, and just a few more things. You don't need to learn everything because actually you never stop learning. So I will just learn the basics first. Present simple, vocabulary, adjectives, obviously all of this needs to have some organization and some order. That's what I do with my students. And if you want to learn Spanish with me, you can email me and we can get started. Going back to the step number 2, the goal here is not perfection, it's communication. You want to learn how to say I want, I have, I am. That's your foundation. Step number 3, start listening as soon as possible. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Use, for example, YouTube videos like the ones I do on my channel, movies and series, of course Netflix, or even on YouTube you can find series and movies as well for free. Music, podcasts, even children's cartoon. When I was learning English for the first time, I actually watched Peppa Pig, and that helps me actually a lot with vocabulary and certain things. So maybe you can start watching some children's cartoon to help you out. At the beginning, it will just feel like noise. But trust me, the more you watch it, the more you're gonna start to pick up some words, even sentences, vocabulary, verbs, and even Spanish expressions. This is how you go from I don't understand anything to actually I got that. And last step, step 4. Put yourself in real situations. This is where most people fail. They study a lot, but they don't practice. If you can travel of course. But if you cannot travel, find small communities around your area, your country, your city. I'm sure you will find some Spanish speakers. Or if you find it difficult to find someone near you to speak Spanish, or even if it's just a store, a shop, a restaurant, you can also do it online. There's so many Facebook groups and other communities as well. Talk to people, make mistakes, it's very normal. Doesn't matter your level, you can start today. So to recap, define your goal, learn the basics, listen as much as possible, and practice in real life or online. If you follow these 4 steps, you will progress much faster and actually enjoy the process. If you want to start seriously, you can email me for a free trial lesson at SpanishForHer@gmail.com. I will help you to build your Spanish step by step, as I did with other many students already. Don't wait, start today, and I will see you on the next video. Gracias, adiós, ciao.